Today, we are putting together alphabet sounds teaching tubs. Let's get started. First, we need a tub and a lid. Today, we will be putting together things that go with the letter K. So let's find K. There it is, uppercase K and lowercase k. We'll put this sticker on top of the lid. Now let's find the sticker with the letter K on it. There it is, uppercase K and lowercase k. Let's put it on the front of the tub. All right, next we are going to do the bottom sticker of the lid. We find it and we see it has an uppercase K and a lowercase k. So we know we have the right sticker. All right, let's find things that go in the tub. First, let's find the uppercase K. Wonderful. Next, let's find the lowercase k. All right, let's read our words and see what we're looking for. Oh, we are looking for a koala. A koala is an animal that lives in Australia. Next, we are looking for a kite. You can fly a kite in the sky. Next, we're looking for something that's musical, and it's called a kazoo. Next, we are looking for a key. A key can open a door or a lock. Next, we are looking for a kangaroo. And finally, we're looking for something called a kettle. A kettle is a type of pot. It's very hot. And that's everything for the bucket for K. Let's review and put them in the bucket. First, we need an uppercase K. And next is a lowercase k. Find the koala, the kite, a kazoo, a key, a kangaroo, and a kettle. All right, we can put the lid on. We found everything for the letter K. Next is the letter L. See you next time.